Alright guys, so we've been working our butts off all day long on this big kiln chamber behind us. We got the roof on, we got one side of the siding on. We're kind of at a standstill because we don't know if we need to leave a gap to mount this unit to the side of it. So we're going to unbox it. This is the first time we've unboxed it since we got it. As you can tell, the strap's still on it. So Dad, if you'll cut the strapping material. Oh yeah! And I believe this, I don't know if the box just lifts up or not. Definitely does. This is the part that bolts up, I believe. Yeah, it's got a gasket around it, so it'll mount flush to the siding. So I don't know. My first opinion on it is it's made out of like a solid plastic type deal. This is obviously sheet metal with it's got a gasket here. Everything come in good shape. They come with a big piece of styrofoam over the control unit. Everything's solid. We ordered this thing, when was it? May the 9th? May 9th. And it got here Friday, which we're coming on the
July 28th.
July 28th. So
27th or 28th.
like I said, that's about the only complaint I have with it is that the shipping took a while. But this is the brackets that mount the unit to the kiln chamber. Another thing we need to look at.
Hardware. That's hot too.
Got all these regular like screw-in, lag bolt kind of deals. With the brackets. Alright, well.
And there is 3 of them.
There's 3 of them? For sure?
1, very hot. 2,
Yep.
very hot. And 3.
Alright, well, that's the unboxing of it. Like I said, we hope to start drying all kinds of stuff and get this thing paid for as soon as possible. So, I'll see y'all later.